Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to share a TikTok video to your Facebook story. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're going to open the TikTok application. And once you've opened the TikTok application, you're just going to look for the video that you like to download. May it be in your For You page or you have it saved, such as putting it in your favorites. And once you've found it, you're just going to tap on the share button right below the favorite button on the right part of your screen. And as you can see, once you tap it, you will be given options on where to share to. You can share it here on TikTok, on your contacts, but you can also share it to Facebook, Messenger, Instagram Stories, Instagram, or Instagram Direct. But for this tutorial, we're just going to share it to the Facebook. Let's go ahead and tap Facebook. And once you tap it, you'll be presented with this option. You just have to select Facebook again. And as you can see, you will be transferred to this screen. And it is now on Facebook. And you can write something, and you can also select who can see this post. Once you tap here, and you will see options such as making it public, sharing it with your friends. You can also select friends or specific friends, and you can also put it in the Only Me option. For this video, I'll use the Only Me. Let's go back. And once you're done setting it up, you can add a comment. But for this video, I won't add. We're just gonna post it. Just wait for it. And let's go ahead and check it on the Facebook application. Let's go home and open the Facebook application. Once you've opened it, you can just go to your profile by tapping on the three-lined icon. And you will be transferred to this menu and just tap on See Your Profile. And you will be transferred to your profile. You can just scroll down, check if it is shared, and as you can see, it is now shared to your profile. And to put it to your Facebook story, you're just gonna tap on share right next to comment, and you will be shown this set of options. And as you can see on the topmost, there is an option referring to share to your story. That is the one we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap that. Once you tap it, you will be transferred to the editing of your story. You can either add text, add music, add stickers, or anything you'd like. You can also move this link to TikTok. And once you're done editing, you can now tap on share so that it will be posted to your story. And it is now shared to your story. Let's go ahead and check by tapping on our profile. And it is now shared. There you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.